Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, we are starting Arabic course. This is for beginners, and today's our first lesson and topic is introduction. In Arabic, درس الأول موضوع التعارف. So let's begin. So first one is how are you? How are you? كيف حالك? In Arabic, كيف حالك? Its literal translation is how is your health? So you say كيف حالك. To ask this question from a female, there is applied on kaf like كيف حالك. كيف حالك. In colloquial language, شو حالك, ايش حالك, كيفك are used instead of كيف حالك. كيف حالك. There is no word in Arabic language for the words is am are. So next one is our answer is I am fine. I am fine. In Arabic, أنا بخير. And أنا بخير. أنا I بخير. This is common for both men and women. The second one is what is your name? ما اسمك in Arabic. ما اسمك. Usually it is uttered as masmuk. Masmuk. In colloquial language, شنو اسمك, شنو اسمك, شو اسمك, ايش اسمك are used instead of ما اسمك. ما اسمك. To ask this question from a female, there is applied on kaf like ما اسمك. ما اسمك. The answer is my name is Umar. My name is Umar. In Arabic, ismi Umar. Ismi Umar. This is common for both men and women. Women say ismi طاهرة. Ismi طاهرة. Common for both women and men. The third one is who are you? The third one is who are you? In Arabic, man anta. Man anta. To ask a question from a female, ta is marked with zir like man anti. Man anti. In colloquial language, minu anta, manu anta, min anta are used instead of man anta. Are used instead of man anta. So the answer is I am a student. I am student. In Arabic, أنا طالب. أنا I طالب. أنا طالب. It's common for both male and female. It's common for both male and female. The fourth one is where are you from? Where are you from? In Arabic, min أين أنت. Min أين أنت. Min أين أنت. For female, you say min أين أنت. Min أين أنت. In colloquial language, min وينك, min فينك, and similarly, أنت من وين and أنت من فين are used instead of min أين أنت. Min أين أنت. The answer is I am from Pakistan. In Arabic, there is no word p. There is no word p. So the answer is أنا من Pakistan. أنا من Pakistan.